loan apps are run by the Chinese people, and they are like trapping the Indian people on the name of giving us small loans and getting access to their phone data, and then after that blackmailing them by morphing their photos and on the name of sending to your contact list. So please be aware, please don't install any small loan app, please don't install any like loan apps or advertisement or any message which claim that within a 5 minute you are going to get the loan that much amount, because you have to understand, if any instant loan app it is, that means it's a fake. They will hack your data and later on they will blackmail you and demand a double money within a week, and sometime even after making their payment they will blackmail you, and sometime they will defame you, they will morph your photos, send to your contact list. So in that situation that will going to be a big problem. Many people have losses their lives also and lakhs of rupee just because of these fake Chinese instant loan apps. Many loan apps still now active like quick money, double a credit, safe money, Mylan loan apps, top loan, hero rupee loan apps. So you have to be aware of all these Chinese loan apps. They are fake apps. Their call center are also even operating from outside the country. Mainly they are based in Pakistan. From there they blackmail you, they make you call and harass you. So don't pay them. Uninstall all these fake loan apps before giving your details. Please be aware. Don't share your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or click to any link. Many times they will send you the message that your loan is approved 30,000, 50,000, and in that message link is given. Sometimes they message you that your loan is due, please click and check, and once you install the app again they get access. So for quick help, in case someone is calling harassing you, you can contact us on our given helpline number and save yourself and your contact list and your loved ones, family, friend from their blackmailing. In case you get into a trap because you are not aware and now you are facing this issue, no need to worry. Complete solution our lawyer is going to provide you, so that you don't have to worry about their repayment or their blackmailing call or any legal issue. Where to raise a complaint against them, what are the preventive steps you have to take in this matter, so that there will be no defamation or any sort of negative impression in your contact list. Complete solution our lawyer is going to provide you. So just WhatsApp us the name of the app and get a complete solution. Save your time and money. And once you get the solution, you don't have to worry about their threatening message call to you or to your contact list. You don't have to worry about making payment or any further misuse of your data or your